We have one of our guys in the group, Billy Hinsche, I think I told you, has worked out a special rendition of a song called Wipeout. It's now called F.B.I. Wipeout, okay?